Welcome back to new episode of Quiz Falcon. Choose your gift from 3 options. How lucky are you? Take this quiz to find out. Before starting, hit the like and subscribe button for more fun games like this. Okay, let's start with the first choice. Pick a cake to eat with friends. Which headphones will you enjoy? Choose your savings. Choose your watch. If you could time travel, where would you go? Pick a robot to assist you. Choose your house. Select an ice cream flavor to enjoy. Pick a superpower. How do you like your coffee? Select an adventure to embark on. Which spaceship would you pilot? Pick an instrument to play. Which laptop will you buy? Add a garnish to your drink. Which plant will you grow? Pick a mask for the event. What snack will you enjoy? Select a castle to explore. Pick an animal for your desert journey. Which toy will you gift? Pick a fragrance. Select a constellation to gaze at. Where will you have a picnic? Select a wallpaper for your room. Choose your nails. Choose your milkshake. Pick a warm drink to sip. Which vehicle will you take? Now pick up your next challenge and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games like this.